If you're following me on my Twitter or my Instagram, even on Facebook, you've probably seen that I was working on Jurassic Park gate project for a very long time, and finally I can show you what I did, how I did it, and I really hope you guys are gonna like it and enjoy it. I've made the gate in Fusion 360. It took me a few hours to do that, I think 5 hours, and after that I divided everything and sent it to my printer. All the parts were printed on my Creality CR10 with 0.3 layer height. For the pillars I've used Devil Design's grey PLA, and for the door I've used eSun's eBamboo, and it turned out really great, as you can see in this video. Only part that wasn't printed on my CR10 were these torches, and they were printed on any cubic photon. So everything was printed, everything was assembled, but now it was time to do something else with it. I wanted to add more details to my model, so I've used this wooden filler to cover up everything, which also made it much stronger. After that I've covered everything with the foil, which made this really nice stone looking texture. For the final touch I've used spatula to carve in few more areas to make more details. This wood filler usually takes 10 to 15 minutes to dry, but since everything was covered with the foil, it took around 2 hours to dry everything. Now it was time to make a base. For the base I've used this laptop box, which, as you will see later, wasn't that great idea, and also in the process I almost destroyed my model. I decided to use the same wooden filler for the base, which didn't turn out great as I expected, because moisture in the wood filler kind of deformed the whole base. Finally I have started painting my model. For everything I've used acrylic colors, and this was a really nice learning process. I was experimenting with a bunch of different shades. Smika was helping out, as you can see. I was using a lot of water to water down everything to get this grungy, old looking feeling, and it took me like 3 or 4 different coats to achieve that, and after that I was really happy. Only thing that we needed to do were these letters and torches that my wife painted, because she's much better at it than I am. In the meantime I was searching for toy cars, because I really wanted to have one in front of the gate, and Matchbox just released Jurassic Park Legacy cars that I really wanted, but I couldn't find it anywhere in Croatia, anywhere in Europe. But I was really lucky because Rick found it on Amazon and he sent me the whole package for my birthday, which was really great, and Rick, thank you one more time for it. I really hope you guys like this video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, share my videos with people who you think will like this kind of projects, and I really hope I'm gonna see you next time. I want to say thank you to all my Patreons, especially to William E. Remig and Wade Lindstrom. Thank you guys for everything.